The best loved by God are those that are rich. You have the humility of the poor, and those that are poor and have the magnanimity of the rich. Make no friendship with an elephant keeper if you have no room to entertain an elephant. When the belly is empty, the body becomes spirit, and when it is full, the spirit becomes body. The rose and the thorn, and sorrow and gladness are linked together. Whatever makes an impression on the heart seems lovely in the eye. People are rich crying up the rich, and people are crying up the rich and variegated plumage of the peacock, and he is himself blushing at the sight of his ugly feet. A man is insensible to the relish of prosperity till he has tasted adversity. He who is a slave to his stomach seldom worship God. Whenever you are argue with an other wiser than yourself in order that others may admire your wisdom, they will discover your ignorance. If a gem falls into mud, it is still valuable. If dust ascends to heaven, it remains valueless.